Welcome back, data enthusiasts. In this particular video, we are going to deep dive into some of the career paths that as a data professional you should explore in 2024. Well, we are still far away from 2024, but this video is definitely going to give you an idea on what roles to aim for. With a lot of advancements coming up in the field of AI or data, many people are still questioning whether I should pursue a career in the field of data or not. Should I become a data scientist, a data analyst, or should I explore some other career paths? Well, this video is dedicatedly for this particular topic where I will help you out on choosing your next career goals. I will make sure all of your questions are being answered in this particular video, but still, if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section because I keep an eye on each and every comment. Now, talking about the career paths, this video is going to be on top 4 career paths that you should explore in the field of data. The number 1, the most important career path or career option that you should explore is data analyst roles. Now, data analytics is one of these fields that has been there in the market since quite a long time. And with AI tools and all these advancements coming up, is this field impacted? My answer will be no. There are still a lot of jobs in the market, especially in Indian market or even in the global market. A lot of opportunities in the field of data analytics. So this is something which is not going to change in the next 5 years or 10 years for sure. So data analytics will be on my list as usual. What skills can help you to become a data analyst or to get into the field of data analytics? Well, the skills remains the same. You have to have an understanding on Python, on exploratory data analysis, SQL, statistics, some of the BI tools like Power BI, Tableau, and ETL tools. You also need a blend of predictive modeling and understanding of predictive analytics as well. Now, some of the roles that you can explore in the field of data analytics is going to be a data analyst role or a BI analyst role or a Power BI developer or a Tableau developer. You can also explore the option of business analyst if you also have the business understanding and if you are good with presentation and communication skills. The number 2 career path that you should focus is going to be data engineering. Data engineering is one of the most crucial steps, one of the most crucial jobs that is going to increase in the next few years. The wave has been increasing, especially in the Asia Pacific market. There is a lot of need of data engineers, especially in Hong Kong, and I'm pretty much sure the same is happening throughout the globe. Companies are actually hiring a lot of data engineers. What are some of the sub-families that you can focus on? Data infrastructure engineer or a big data engineer or simply a data engineer. What all skills are required? Well, all the skills required for a data analyst comes as a prerequisite to data engineering. BI tools are not must, but Python, SQL, statistics are needed. On top of that, you should also have an exposure on data lakes, data warehouses, ETL tools, and you should be very good at programming, especially PySpark or Python. You also need to have understanding on Kafka and some of the streaming tools as well. Gen AI developer. It's not a data scientist role that I'm talking about. I'm talking about generative AI developer roles. In the market right now, there has been increasing popularity on generative AI part, especially when ChatGPT and various other things have popped up. Companies have started exploring the generative AI module and they are focusing on generative AI specific developers who are very much focused on generative AI. Now, under the label of generative AI, some of the job roles that you can explore is machine learning engineer, NLP specialist, a deep learning engineer, or even a generative AI developer. What all things are required? Well, the knowledge on data analytics, data science, machine learning, deep learning, all these things. On top of that, you should always have a hands-on experience on generative AI, especially the LLM and the non-LLM part. Now, in this particular scenario, I'm not just talking about ChatGPT. I'm talking about actually building your own LLM model. ChatGPT has already exposed the APIs. Now, if you're just using the APIs and creating something, that is not what companies are looking for. Companies are looking for someone who can build your own LLM. and someone who is very much expert into all these topics, like which LLM to use in which scenario, can we build our own LLMs, embedded models, BERT models, these kind of very advanced technologies, transformers. The last career path that I would like to suggest is going to be something that I have not talked about much on my particular channel, and it is a data architect role. Well, data architects are responsible for designing and supporting the data systems in an organization. Well, this particular career path is for people who are already into 7-8 years or 10 years of industrial experience, be it into data science, data analytics, or even the normal architect roles. Data architect roles is one of these roles where a lot of hirings are happening, and it can also give you a good amount of cash flow. Now, what are the different subfamilies of job roles inside the data architect roles? Well, there could be an option of enterprise data architect, cloud data architect, and so on. Now, in this particular role, you have to be very good in the architectural designing. For example, you are jumping into a company who is working on a digital transformation from old technologies to cloud technologies. They need somebody who can actually design the architecture, who can suggest which cloud to use, which one not to use, and you can design the entire architectural flow. And this is going to be one of the most important jobs or career paths in the field of data in 2024. Now, you might have encountered that I have not spoken about the data science roles, data scientist roles. Why? The number of jobs in the field of data science has gradually decreased over the past couple of months, and even in Hong Kong, I see companies are mostly focused on the data engineering roles, data architect roles, or data analytics roles. On data science jobs, honestly speaking, there is a crunch right now. So if you are already into data science, you have already gained some data science knowledge, my recommendation will be either move into data analytics roles, which is a pretty easier option. However, the cash flow will be low. You can also move into data engineering. Should take you like 1 or 2 months to understand various data engineering concepts like Spark, Kafka, and cloud technologies, or else you can move towards the data architect roles or generative AI. So these are the 4 areas that you can diverge into. Do not focus on data scientist roles or very specific data science roles. I would not recommend that. So these are the 4 top career paths in the field of data, especially in 2024, that you should focus on. In case you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. In case you have anything to discuss, you would like to connect with me, I hope that everybody knows my LinkedIn channel, my LinkedIn link, and feel free to reach me out. That's all about this particular video. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video where I will talk about a few more topics around data and data analytics or data science. See you.